Hello students. Already last class we will discuss database, record, field and field name. Okay. So now again I will discuss. Okay. So chapter 4 MS Excel 2016 using a database. Okay. So using a collection of information related to a particular subject like maintaining address and phone number, a list of library books, student record, etc. A user is able to organize, retrieve, sort and edit data as per her choice. Okay, so database, actually database, suppose I ask to you what is database in computer, then you tell me database. Database is a store data, just like a videos, music, store data in your computer. That's called database. Okay, but when I ask to you what is database in MS Excel, then you tell me database in MS Excel. That means database is a form of a database is a form. Okay, a database is a form which including field and record. Okay, fields and record. So you can see, you can also call it database because including row and column. Okay, so record means row and field means column. Okay, so which including row and column in form. Okay, so it's called database. So you can see page number 40, records. Record are row and field are column. Okay, so field, now discuss field. A column in a database that has only one type of data is known as field. For example, a roll number and name are different fields. Okay, so a column in a database that has only one type of data. One type of data, that means what? Suppose you enter, type your name. Suppose column heading name. Okay, and second column heading name is roll number. Okay, so you enter name, your name suppose AZ. Okay, and roll number is 4. So you can see second cell, enter your name, suppose A to Z, alphabetically value. Yes, so it's called one type data type. Suppose you want to type again this cell, alphabetically value with number, numerical value, then called two type of data type. That's called including this cell, insert this cell, alphabetically value and numerical value insert in this cell. Cell means per box, particular box called cell. Okay, so it's called two type of data. Okay, so field, a column in a database that has only one type of data is known as field. So you can see this one is one type of data because only this column has only one type of data, because you can see this column only alphabetically value in here. Yes, so you can call only field. This column you can call, or this cell you can call field. Okay, suppose this cell, second cell. Okay, or a cell number is A2 because column name is A and row number is 2. Okay, so this cell number is A2. Okay, so second cell you cannot say field because this cell including two type of data. First data type is a alphabetically, and second data type is a including numerical value. So you cannot say this cell field, but you can say this cell B2 cell. You can say this cell field because only have a only one type of data type. Yes, so field. Okay, next record. A row is known as record. Per row you can see, per row, a row is known as record in a database. Okay, so it's called record. The record contains information about one person or one object. For example, roll number, name, English form a record of the student. Record, you can see first row record is name, roll number. Okay, So record a row known as record. Okay. Next, field name. Field name, the column label for a field is known as field name. A field name has a display in one row, for example, roll number, name, subject name, etc. Field name. Field name, that means what? First column heading. Heading of first column is called field name. You can see name. Name is a first column of heading. Yeah. Roll number is a second column of heading. Heading of. Okay. So heading of uh, you can see name, roll number. First column is name, heading is name, second column heading is roll number. Then you can see field name. Okay. Name and roll number. Okay. Next, using a form to enter data. Using a form to enter data in MS Excel worksheet. Already discussed MS Excel enter data in blank worksheet. In chapter already discussed chapter 3. Yes. So now you can see using a form to enter data. You enter data, but one condition, using form. When you enter data using a form in a blank worksheet, when you data enter your blank worksheet, you can using a form. Okay, in a MS Excel. Okay. So page number 40, a dialog box that provides a simple way to enter to display row of information or record is known as form. There are text box to enter data in field and command buttons to enter and sense data. What is form? A dialog box that provides a simple way to enter or display row of information or record is known as form. Okay, you can see table, already discussed table here. Display data, row of information or record is known as form. Row of information is called is form. Okay, you can see this row you can also call form. Okay. Next, page number 41. The field name must be edit at the top of each column before a record can be edited in the form. The following feature can be found in the form. Only record can be displayed at a time. The form can be used to change an existing record and add new record. The user can delete any record. Also, a record that matches the specified criteria can be viewed. Okay. So when you using form, then you can use only one record. Okay, per one record. Okay, per one record already discussed record. That means per row you can also call record. Okay. So all you can insert value only per record. Okay, that means only per row when you using form. Okay. So record that match the specified criteria can be okay. So the form option is hidden in Microsoft Excel 2016. The form can be found by clicking on the File tab option. A dialog box named Excel option is open. Go to left pane and select the Quick Access toolbar. Make it click on the drop down arrow of the source command form. Then select the command note in the ribbon option from the drop down list. Use the scroll bar and select the form option from the display list. Then click on the add button. Making a click on the OK will give you the find button on the Quick Access toolbar. Okay. So this question is how to insert form in a MS Excel, or you can also call how to unhide in MS Excel, unhide form in MS Excel. Okay, because all default form is hidden in MS Excel. Form option is hidden. Default form option is hidden in MS Excel 2016. Only 2016, not 16. 13, 16, 19 is same. Okay. So how can you unhide or how can you find MS Access form in a blank worksheet? Okay, worksheet called first page is called worksheet. Okay. So first you follow this step. First file tab, click on the file tab. After click on the option tab, and so Excel option will appear here. Okay, and after you click on Quick Access toolbar option. Okay, and after source command form, suppose I want to use command form all command. Okay, so because I want to find form, so source all command option. Okay, so after you find form, okay, this one is form. So after select the form, select the command, actually select the command and click on add button. So when I click add button, you can see some option show here. Quick access toolbar, you already have and this on the quick access toolbar, because I have already used form toolbar. Okay, so after click on add and after click on ok button, click on ok button. Okay, and form will be insert in your MS Access toolbar. You can see this is my form. Okay, so you can easily find your form in MS Excel. MS Excel. Okay, sorry, MS Excel. So now adding a new record in a form. Adding a new record in a form. Okay. So new record. I want to use new record. New record using form. So you can directly use new adding new record directly in your shell. Suppose this one shell is A2. Yes. Name suppose is AZ. Okay. A roll number is suppose 34. You can see directly you insert shell in your shell, insert value in your shell. Okay, okay, and the third is third shell, you enter value, suppose name is FH. Okay, and roll number is 34. Okay, same process you can directly use, but we will using form. Okay, we will using form, add a new record. Using form, add a new record in MS Excel worksheet. So first step, you should select cell which you want to record in your form, record new record. So suppose I want to put value this cell, so select this cell. After click on form, you can see form and click on OK, and you can see my form dialog box will appear here. Yes, my dialog box show here, and you can see name. Suppose name, you enter name is ZA and roll number is suppose 45 and press the new button. You can see ZA, my name is ZA and roll number is 45. Same process, you enter name is suppose GFD, roll number is 45 or 46. Just press the enter button or click on the new button option. Okay, you can see name is ZA, GDF, roll number is 45, 456. Okay, using form, when you using form in a record, new record, easily you can see you can adding new record easily using form. Okay, but suppose you directly new record, enter new record. Suppose you directly adding new record. Okay, then you enter, suppose name is FR and roll number is 45. Name is ERW. Okay, QR, roll number is okay 32. But when you using form, then it is easy to use, easy to adding new record. Yes, just select the cell which you want to adding new record. After click on form and name is suppose you type name, suppose TY and roll number is suppose 89 and after click on new button. Okay, new suppose you can see name is suppose 56, roll number is 660. Okay, just a example. Okay, not technical. Okay, so easy to use using form. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, so step 1, we can use adding new record in a form. Step 1, step by step, follow this step. Make shell on shell 2 because you want to adding new record in a shell 2, so you should select shell 2. Okay, so after quick access toolbar dialog box name sheet 1 will be display. You can see sheet 1 is display. This will have record in it. Make a click on the new button, add a new record. Information for the respective field can be typed for the new record. That data form can be closed by click on the close button, and at the end the database you will be able to view the new record. Making a click on the find previous and find next button, the user is able to move to the previous or next record. Okay, just easy. I will repeat again. Just once you enter value or adding new record, just select the cell and click on the font. After name is this column, roll number is this column. Yes, so after enter your name, suppose roll number is suppose. Okay, and please press the new button. You can see. Okay, synthesis any name, so type any name. Okay, and roll number 45 and press the new button. You can see my name is GFG and roll number is 45. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, next, charging a record. Charging a record, how can you charge record uh, from blank worksheet? But already we use charging a record using filter. Yes, so now we will discuss charging a record using form. Okay, so first step, follow this step. Make a click on the form button. Okay, click on OK. Make a click on the form button. After, go to the sheet on dialog box and select the criteria button. Go to the sheet on dialog box and select the criteria button. This one, yes. And the criteria will be displayed in the upper right corner of the sheet on dialog box. Okay, this one sheet on dialog box. This one is sheet on dialog box. Okay, and in the third field, enter your data and then press the enter key. Start. Suppose I want to find, I want to search from name column. Okay, heading name is name. First column name is name. Okay, so I want to search data from first column. Then first column data is DG, DG, G, D, F, G. Okay, so suppose D, D, F, and press the enter key. Press the enter key. Sorry, I want to again criteria G, D, F, G. Press the enter key. After, if there is the existing record match the given value, it will be displayed as the first record gets displayed. You can see. Yes, first criteria, and which you want to start the data, type your data, and suppose roll number is 456, and enter the and press the enter key. I will again repeat. DG suppose 70 is criteria, using criteria DG, roll number cell is 78. Okay, click on enter, press the enter key. Okay, DG 78. Okay, this one first 1 to 7, 1 to 7. Okay, this one is first, this one is 2, this one is 3 row is total row is 7 and row Now ER45, 3 number row in table. 3 number row, 1 2 1 2 and 3. Yes, correct. 3 number row, you can see. So suppose you want to find any data using form, then type your data which you want to search. Suppose ER, okay, ER or QR, and roll number is QR, roll number is 32. Okay, just type your second column name 32 and press the enter key. You can see 4 number row is 4 out of 7. You can see this one is QR and 32. Okay, searching data using form. Okay, and you should underline step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Okay.